Boxing, the sweet science, isn't just about fancy footwork and powerful punches. It's a full-body workout that pushes your cardiovascular system, builds strength and power, and sharpens your coordination and mental focus. But is daily boxing the ultimate path to peak fitness? Let's unwrap the potential effects of lacing up your gloves and stepping into the ring every single day. There's a reason boxing has captivated athletes and fitness enthusiasts for centuries. Here's a closer look at the potential benefits you can reap by incorporating daily boxing into your routine. Heart of a champion. Boxing is a high-intensity cardio workout, pushing your heart to work harder and pump more blood throughout your body. Over time, this strengthens your heart muscle, leading to improved blood circulation and a lower resting heart rate. Lungs of steel daily boxing sessions can significantly boost your lung capacity. Your lungs become more efficient at oxygen uptake, allowing you to work out harder for longer with less fatigue. Punching power and footwork. Finesse. The art of boxing relies heavily on a potent combination of strength and power. Punches, footwork drills, and dodging maneuvers all engage various muscle groups, including your legs, core, and upper body. Daily boxing can significantly improve your muscular strength, translating to explosive punching power and agile footwork in the ring and beyond. Muscle definition unveiled. As you build strength, you'll also experience an increase in muscle definition. Your shoulders, arms, core, and legs will become more sculpted and toned, reflecting the dedication you put into your daily boxing routine. Coordination and agility on point footwork drills, quick reflexes honed through dodging punches, and hand-eye coordination are all essential skills in boxing. Daily training significantly improves these aspects, leading to better balance, faster reaction times, and overall athleticism that benefits various aspects of your life. Stepping into the ring and unleashing punches becomes a fantastic outlet for stress relief. Daily boxing allows you to channel your energy and clear your head. Regularly pushing your limits and facing challenges also builds mental toughness, discipline, and perseverance, qualities that can be applied beyond the gym walls. Beyond the glory, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential downsides that can arise from overdoing it. Overtraining and injury risk. Pushing too hard can lead to a breakdown. Daily high-intensity training puts immense stress on your body. Muscles don't have sufficient time to repair micro-tears caused by exercise, leading to potential muscle strain, joint pain, and increased risk of injuries like tendinitis, bursitis, and even stress fractures. Rest and recovery are crucial for optimal performance and preventing burnout. When it comes to plateaus, stalled progress and reduced motivation can be extremely demotivating and hinder your overall fitness goals. Your body adapts to training stimuli, and daily boxing without incorporating rest days or varying your routine can lead to these plateaus. Muscle imbalances and neglected areas. Beyond boxing, importance of a balanced approach. While boxing works multiple muscle groups, it might not target them all equally. The core, upper body like the chest and back, and flexibility might be neglected. This imbalance can lead to muscle weakness, postural issues like rounded shoulders, and increased risk of injuries. Also, the focus on proper form and technique might become compromised without rest days. This can lead to bad habits that hinder performance, limit progress, and increase injury risk. Finding the sweet science of training, striking the optimal balance. The key to reaping the benefits of boxing while minimizing downsides lies in finding the right balance. Smart scheduling. Alternate high-intensity boxing days with low-intensity recovery days like shadow boxing, stretching, or yoga, or cross-train with activities like swimming for active recovery. This allows your body to recover while keeping you actively engaged. Prioritize rest and recovery. Schedule rest days to allow your body to recover, repair muscle tissue, and rebuild stronger. Listen to your body. Fatigue and pain are signals to take a break. Consider active recovery activities like swimming or yoga on rest days to promote blood flow and reduce muscle soreness. Incorporate strength training. Daily boxing focuses heavily on building strength and power, but it might not provide enough isolation for specific muscle groups. Consider dedicated strength training sessions 2 to 3 times a week to target all muscle groups for a well-rounded physique. Conclusion. Boxing daily can be a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular health, build strength and power, and enhance your coordination and agility. However, it's crucial to prioritize rest and recovery, incorporate other exercises, maintain proper form, and listen to your body's needs to maximize the benefits and minimize the risks. Remember, consistency is key, but don't overdo it. Find a training plan that works for you and allows you to experience the transformative power of boxing while keeping your body healthy and happy.